Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be showing you how to do this. New UPD, we're expanding the map and you can schedule an update. So yeah, now what you have to do is go back to home and go to create, then click on that exact game. When you click on that exact game, all you have to do is go down, 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 then you see events and updates. That's where you have to click to get everything. Now they're scheduled in 57 minutes. So yeah, and finished, there is no finished updates. And yeah, so I have to go to active and go to create event. You can upload an image if you want. It just has to meet the requirements of the um Roblox standards. You can select the category. There's a bunch. Yeah. You can wait, how to do this. Yeah. You can go here, then you can select the time and date and then when the time and date of the ending. Start place untitled experience. So you have to go public, you have to go to event name and then you just go to UPD. What the frick? Huh? What the frick? Okay, UPD. That's all you have to do. And now you have to go to. Wait, why is it not working? It should work. It should work. Wait. Item drop? Subtitle? We're expanding the map. Yes, you have to put in the subtitle. You don't need a description. That's it. Okay. And you can. And yes! You see it. Hosted by a warrior. Now I have to go to home. Then go to your profile. Then find the game that you did. That you worked on. Now you have to go here. You can't see it here, but you have to go to create and you'll see it. You have to go to create, create, untitled experience. Oh my god, sorry guys, sorry. Then you go here, then you see all the updates. Sorry guys for the microphone, but like, oh my god, sorry guys, sorry. Okay, then you see all your updates. New UPD, UPD. Yeah. Bye bye guys. I think that's it. Bye.